What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at the HAKII Fit. Now, for those who don't know, HAKII, they've started a new company, a sister company, if you will, called HAKII. And so they sent me over their new HAKII Fit. And it looks pretty awesome. It's actually a 3-in-1. So you've got your regular style earbuds and then you can switch it over to the hook style. And then they also have a cable so you can use it to like strap it around your neck for maybe more intense workouts or something. So that's pretty cool. They put a rubber strap on the top. They're serious with their packaging. Oh, look at that little case. Nice. Okay, what else we got in here? Oh man, there's more stuff down here. Oh, individually wrapped ear tips. Nice. Okay, so first off, we've got a little pouch. Pretty basic, nothing special. It's got their logo on it. Got a user manual. Then we have about a foot long USB to micro USB cable for charging. Then we got a very cool custom little pack of ear tips. Oh yeah. Oh man, look at all this stuff. All right, so here's the strap. Oh yeah, it's very elastic. Ooh, it's very soft. All right, and then you've got your standard ear hooks, ear wings, if you will. And then you've got the ear hooks if you want to go for that route. So that's really cool. And it's all very super soft rubber, very flappy. You gotta love the flappiness. All right, then you got the case. Very reminiscent of the HAKII products with the black and red. It's got the H logo, same logo. You got your micro USB port on the back for charging. This is rubber, it's all plastic. Oh, nice. All right, cool. And these look oddly similar to the HAKII earbuds. You get about 3.5 hours of battery life out of these, out of about 1.5 hours of charging. So pretty standard, nothing too groundbreaking. Now these are IPX5 rated. They are touch control. They've got a 6mm titanium driver. They're saying that they're very fine tuned. And if they're tuned as well as the other HAKII earbuds, then I'm sure they're great. And when you put them in the case, they light up. And you got the LED indicator on the front showing how much battery is left. Oh yeah, it's like a perfect fit. All right, there we go, the HAKII Fit. Oh good, 90% battery remaining, nice. Shake test? Oh, that was perfect. And these are on the light mode. You know what, I'm gonna switch to the hooks. Oh nice, look at that. Huh. I'm not a fan of that. It definitely doesn't fit as snug. It's a lot more loose in the ear. Let's try just a 1-ear shake test. No. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stick with the regulars. Oh yeah, much better. Yeah, now this, on the other hand, it's real simple. You just put it right over the actual ear cup itself. Can't even feel that it's there, so it's really just extra support, really. I kind of like that. So the touch controls are pretty basic. You've got pause, you got next and previous track. I guess that's mute. And then you got on and off, hands-free phone calls, so answer, pick up. Okay, cool. All right, let's just try them out. Wow, that sounds really good. The highs and the mids sound fantastic. It's kind of lacking in the bass department. Yeah. The audio, the highs and the mids, they sound really crisp, really clear, but there's really not much bass going on. If you're into bass, these probably aren't gonna be for you. Let's make a phone call. Hello? Just testing out some headphones. You sound really good. How do I sound? Oh, cool. So it doesn't even sound like I'm on headphones, huh? You can hear background noise. What are you hearing? You can hear my camera slider? Wow. So I'm guessing you can hear this? Wow, okay. So microphone is very sensitive. All right, cool. Latency test, I love this thing. No, latency is really good actually. Okay, let's try a back pocket test. Oh, that lo-fi sounds good. So many good lo-fi channels. No skipping. Yeah, sounds really good. I'm gonna do a distance check, I'll be right back. All right, pause. Pause works. Okay, so distance, I got around like 42 feet or so, and then it started cutting back and forth between them, and then as I turned around, it reestablished the connection just fine. Now, keep in mind, I've got a couple walls in between me and where I walk to, so if you were in an open environment, you'd probably have a much better stable connection at further distance. All right, so phone calls really good. Audio quality is very, very good. In my opinion, it's definitely lacking bass, but the highs and the mids are very crystal clear. I think any audiophile would appreciate the sound coming out of these. Couple things, and criticism-wise, it's got micro USB. I think you guys need to step it up to USB Type-C, especially if you're just now coming out with these. The other thing is that it states long battery life. 3.5 hours is not long battery life anymore. Now we're looking at true wireless earbuds that are coming out with like 8-hour battery life. And considering the size of these, I don't see why they're not able to put a better battery in these, especially at the price range that they're asking for. These start at 95 bucks and they go up to 111 depending on the model you get. They have 3 different versions, check it out on the website, but this is the basic one. You can get the one that has a wireless charging built into the case, which is pretty cool. So it's more of a quality of life thing. I would say out of this and the HAKII products, I would definitely say HAKII is better. I like the sound quality that come out of HAKII. I think their build quality is better, and I think the price is around the same or a little less, but either way, I'll leave links down below where you can check out the HAKIIs. But anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. A second ago, I had a little baby spider running on my arm. Now I feel like every little thing is a spider. Get him off of me. Hello? Hey, girl. Hey, what's up, girl? What's going on right there? Oh, get that out of here. That was from the last video. We don't want that. Check it out. If you're interested in sun tea, check that out. Go to my next video, last video.